Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this pink and blue winged eyeshadow. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer. And first I'm taking the Wet n Wild shader brush with my setting spray from Forever 21. And then I'm taking my Club Tropicana palette. And I'm taking this pink shade in the bottom corner. Next, I'm just going to start brushing that pink shade across the whole eyelid. I'm going to take more of the eyeshadow and just keep going over it till I get the desired color that I want. Next, I'm taking my SOHO Blending brush and I'm just going to blend the color out so that it takes away the harsh lines and all of that. Now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Megaliner, it's Voltage Blue, and I'm just going to start creating a wing. It's a sharp wing. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl gel glider in Mermaid Blue, and I'm just going to put that on the bottom lash line and waterline. Next, I'm going to take that Wet n Wild brush I had in the beginning and go back in the Club Tropicana palette. And I'm going to take this darker pink up here. And I'm just going to start brushing that along the corner of the bottom lash line. Just go about halfway. This way it blends in with that blue color and creates a nice effect. Now I'm going to be taking my Essence Lash and Brow, and I'm just going to put that on my lashes before I put on the mascara. For mascara, I'm using my Voluminous Lash Paradise. And now I'm going to be taking my LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss, and I'm just going to put that on my lips really quick. Okay guys, this completes the look today. Hope you like it. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.